Hello guys, welcome to In 5 Minutes. In this session, we are going to see the characteristics of digital integrated circuits, that is nothing but digital ICs. Now there are some terms related with the digital system or the integrated circuits you need to understand while implementing them directly. So let us start with the very first term, that is nothing but the noise. And we all know that any unwanted signal is noise. A particularly electrical signal is mentioned here. Why? Because we are dealing with the electricity or the current and voltage. That's why in our case any unwanted electrical signal is going to be the noise. Now how this affect, so you will see carefully, there's a pulse. You can say this is the actual pulse showing logic 0 or logic 1. Convert this into the analog, then logic 1 corresponds to 5 volts and logic 0 is corresponds to 0 volts, that is nothing but the ground. So this kind of pulse actually we need to transmit over the channel from transmitter to receiver, but due to the channel in between there is an addition of noise. So after noise, if any is added into the signal, then the signal becomes like this way. This electrical quantities get distorted. The red color what we have drawn, that is nothing but the distorted signal. The shape is not in the very good form or the actual form, and there are some positive and negative variations as the electrical signal is interfered with the pulse. That's why it is called as noise and it may harm the circuit. There's a particular parameter which is called as noise immunity. Now what this noise immunity is? This noise immunity is the ability of the circuit to tolerate the noise signal. Now how actually this noise immunity or the ability to tolerate the noise signal works in digital integrated circuits, that term is called as noise margins. So let us move to the very next point, noise margin. So here you can see I have drawn a quite a larger pulse to get the illustrated view. Now the levels corresponds to logic 0, this one corresponds to logic 1, 5 volts and 0 volts. So I'll write down here. So what are the noise margins are? It is not like that only if 5 volt is present then only the logic 1 will be detected. Now there are certain margins. Means what? Let us say I am drawing a line here. Now this range particularly is from 3.5 volts to 5 volts. Now this range is called as high level noise margin, whereas if I am going to consider this level which corresponds to 0 volts and let us say approximately equal to 1 volt, this may vary from IC to IC, means integrated circuit to integrated circuit, whether it is an AND gate or OR gate or the NAND gate. This is the property which is related with the logic families that we are going to see in the next session. So if I am going to consider that this level has to be low level noise margin, what this indicates actually, whenever in a circuit, if this is the high level margin 3.5 volts to 5 volts, then if the voltage available at any point in a digital circuit is in between 3.5 volts to 5 volts, it will be detected as logic 1. If the voltage available at any point is in between 0 to 1 volts, it will be detected as logic 0. So this is all about the noise margins. It's a measure of noise. Due to noise, the signal may vary from more than 5 volts or less than 3. Here you can say it is going more than 5 volt, here it is going less than 5 volts. So this is the high level noise margin what I mean to say here. So actually this is a measure of noise itself which can be tolerated by the logic circuit. So that's all about the noise margin.